In this class I am going to explain built-in functions in VB. Built-in functions in VB. Built-in or library functions. Library functions are built-in functions. Okay, these functions are classified as mathematical string and datetime functions. Mathematical string and date and time functions. Okay. So what do you mean by a built-in function? A built-in function is a predefined function, and it can be used with its name and arguments. Okay, these definitions are already defined in the language itself. Directly we can use this function. Okay, a built-in function is a predefined, already defined. The code is already defined in the language itself. Okay, you can directly use that functions in our program, right? So these are classified into mathematical functions, so string functions, so and date and time functions. Okay, so the first one is the mathematical function. Okay, mathematical function. Here some of the mathematical functions. The one is round. Round is a function. It rounds a number to the selected number of decimal places. Okay, it rounds a number to a selectable number of decimal places. Then val is a function. Val is a function. It converts a string, numerical content of a string, into a number. It returns, or it converts a numerical content of a string into a number. Next, abs, absolute, converts a number to a positive value. Sqr, it returns the square root of a number. Log, log function, it returns the base 10 logarithm of a number. Okay, so these are all some of the mathematical functions: round, val, absolute, square, log. Okay, and string functions. Okay, string function, length. Okay, it counts the number of characters in a given string. The length function it comes under string functions category. The length function comes under string functions category. It counts the number of characters in a given string. Okay, the left. Okay, it returns the desired number of characters from left side of a string. If you want to cut a string to a desired number of characters from left side, okay, if you want to cut a string from left side up to a desired number of characters, then we use this left function. Okay, so length function to count the number of characters, and the left function to cut a string from left side to a desired number of characters. Okay, the same way right, it cuts a string from right side to a desired number of characters. Okay, so right string comma length, here in that left string comma length, the number of characters you want to cut from left, here the number of characters we have to give here as a parameter, right? The right from right side. Okay, the next mid, it returns the characters from any part of a string. Mid character, if you want to cut a string in a mid position, middle level, from and to. Okay, so here mid S alphabets I want to cut from 4 to 3 characters. Okay, right? LKS, RK, UKS, it converts a string into lowercase, it converts a string into uppercase. Okay, so CHR, character, it returns the characters associated with the specifier character code. Space, it returns a string consisting of specified number of spaces. And date and time functions. Okay, now it returns the current system date and time. The now function returns current system date and time. Date function reads or sets current system date. Time function reads or sets current system time. Is date. See here, is date returns a boolean value to indicate whether string passed to contain a value date. Okay, so if the passed string contains a date format or not, whether it is a date or not, like date value, hour, minute. If you want to cut hour, minute. Okay, so if you want to display only hours from now, like that, we use this kind of function. I will show you one program on this. Opening this one, Visual Basic. Open. Here I am taking two strings, S1 comma s2 as strings. Okay, so s1 is equals to input box of enter any name. Okay, so then next here I am storing the name into the string variable s1. Okay, so I am using a function called s2. S2 is equals to left of s1 comma 4 characters, right? I want to cut the string from left hand side to 4. I want to display this. Okay, msg box of some s2, right? Run this program, run this one. Ravi Kumar, I'm giving a name Ravi Kumar. It cuts the number of characters, that is 4 characters from left side. It means it cuts Ravi Kumar. Okay, string into cuts from left to 4 characters, that is Ravi. Okay, just okay, click on okay, just Ravi. Okay, so the string function left function cuts 4 characters from left to the string Ravi and display it, right? Okay, and one more program I want to show you. One more program I want to display current system date and time. Print now function display the current system date and time. Let's show here. This is the current system date and time. Okay, so I want to display only date. Print date. Okay, like that we can use built-in functions of mathematical string and data and time function. So one of the mathematical function, built-in function we have already used, that is a val function. Okay,